What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are working on the car today. Well, not really working on the car. Today we are finally gonna be washing this dang car. So I went to go pick up some cleaning supplies at my local detail garage, and like literally guys, this car is so dirty. Like I'm pretty sure I can draw this my left hand, so I hope I can draw this. But if you can tell, that's how dirty this car is. Like look at the black. I have like, I don't know what that is, but now from far away the carbon fiber actually looks okay, but if you come up really close, you can see all of that little junk right here. And oh my, look at that. That is nasty. That is not good. We're gonna be taking care of this today. But before we go ahead and do some cleaning, I have to plug the holes with the Downstar hardware because I do not want any water at all to go inside. I am going to be taking off the tape as well, and everything's also seam sealed, so I don't have to worry about any water going in anymore. Fiberglass good. And we also got my new little pressure washer. I should have got this a long time ago. Actually, the determining factor for today is if we're going to actually do everything is that if this car can start, because I can't roll this car out of my garage unless I air it up. Wow, it's been 2 weeks, and the last time I started up this car, we kind of had some problems. It barely started, so here goes nothing. Oh! That was really bad. That was really bad. Now that I think of it, I think the best thing to do is actually I should take off the front bumper because I am going to be accessing everything in the front later on. In 3, 2, 1, bam! Now let's get this car out into the sun and really take a look at what it looks like. Now that it's in the sun, you can kind of see all this dog hair that I have. It's a fresh coat of just dirt, and especially right here, look at all of that dirt and grime. I shouldn't even be doing this, but look, that is so bad. Before we do anything, I'm gonna have to take off the tape here, package this up, make sure that the air filter is not saturated with water. We have to do some adjustments with the front bumper because it's kind of like scratching. I mean, good thing that this is going to be hiding, so all the scratches you can't really see it. This tape has been on here for months, and I'm pretty sure the adhesive kind of built itself on there. Well, that took quite longer than I expected, but now I'm putting Downstar hardware to the test. So this is where things are going to get a little tricky because the holes actually right here is access to the trunk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some paper towels inside of the wheel well to see if actually any water is gonna make it inside of the fenders. I'm sure you guys haven't seen this in a while, but here's just my little air suspension setup. Nothing crazy, it's just super clean. Dual compressor with a smaller tank, airlift performance as well. I am thinking about changing up this look. Maybe some LEDs, maybe some hard lines, but I honestly kind of like this look right here, and I like the fact that it's tucked towards the back of the trunk and I have all this extra room if I wanted to. All right, so let's get this in. I'm gonna leave this right here. The last time we actually had to tear this apart, we ran into a slight problem inside the fender well. It kind of smelled like, oh, I don't know, something burning. Luckily it was only on the outside of the car. Okay, this is a bad angle. Tuck some napkins back in there. All right, one side's done. Let's get this other side real quick. All right, now everything's hooked up. Time to wash the car. Well, it's been about 4 hours since we started. I cannot catch a break with this car. I did a few passes with the soap and I sprayed it down with water, and I did it a few times expecting that maybe the dirt is just gonna lift. The small little shards of metal are actually like baked onto here. After how many days of just grinding, welding, and just grinding, sanding, everything. I really did not want to scrub the car because I'd just be dragging all the metal along. Some of it lifted, but not completely, and that's my main concern right now. So I actually had a ceramic coat on this car, and I think just the heat and the way that like all the dirt, everything is just binded together. But on the bright side, I actually like using a pressure washer. It was pretty fun. I like using the foam, and I should have invested that a long time ago, but I never did do it. So that's a plus for today. And at the same time, this came in the mail as well. So we are gonna be cleaning the filters. Maybe tomorrow after we get the clay bar or some better soap that can lift the dirt, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off as well. So yeah, just to update you guys on the car, wheels are ordered. That's gonna take the longest. It's probably gonna be the last thing I do to the car. I am gonna be servicing the car myself as well. I'm gonna be doing full fluids, everything. And I'm actually gonna have to take apart the transmission just a little bit, just to insert a few little clips here and there. And I'll explain that to you guys later when that video comes out. The car is already fun as is on pump gas, but I am thinking about doing a flex fuel. And my other dilemma is just choosing the blow-off valve. GTRs are actually made with a recirc blow-off valve, but I'm honestly thinking of doing a vent to atmosphere. Then I have to get a speed density kit and all that extra stuff. And I know I don't have to, but I'm really thinking about doing this just for fun. I'm really thinking about doing an LED kit on this car, like full on underglow, like interchangeable lights, dancing lights, all that kind of stuff. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions on what LED lights to go with, or if I should even do it or not. And me and Aaron was actually looking into something even way more stupid. They actually make a horn for this car that sounds like Godzilla, like the legit Godzilla screaming. So we'll see. I don't know. I think just the Godzilla horn would be way overkill, but I'm really serious on doing the LED light. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Should I do LED lights or not? And if you guys have a suggestion, drop that in the comments as well. All right, and the moment of truth. Right side is kind of wet. I think it's because I might have tightened the hardware too much to where I somewhat shredded the rubber. The left side though, wow, nothing, like literally nothing. Dry, just a little damp right here. You can kind of see my finger, and right here just a little damp as well. So when I run the over fenders over here, I'm actually gonna put a little weather stripping just to block out all of the water, all of the dirt. Let's just show it to you guys right here. Along the edge of the over fender, I'm actually gonna have a little rubber weather stripping that's gonna run along the edge over here, and that's what's gonna help seal out all the dirt, all the grime, all of the road debris. This is where the downstar hardware is going to go through, where you're going to have a rubber well nut and you're going to have a rubber seal on the outside. So it'll be very, very secure. And with just the test of using the downstar hardware itself, it's already doing really well. On that note, let's just take a look at this carbon fiber. Like, I really, really love carbon fiber, but I'm going to do this very, very gently. And I don't know if you guys can hear, that friction. That's all the metal shards and the dirt that's just baked on this car. Also, if you guys made it towards the end of this video, I thank you guys so much for watching towards the end. I really want to grow this channel. We just surpassed 300 subscribers, and I'm really trying to hit that 1,000 mark before the end of the year. But I'm gonna need you guys' help as well. For today's video, it'll really mean a lot if you guys can go ahead and share today's video. Take a screenshot if you're watching on your phone, or take a picture if you're watching on your laptop. You guys can go ahead, share my channel with your friends. Make sure you guys tag me. Instagram's right here. I'll know you guys are OGs of this channel if you guys do so. So make sure you guys share this channel with your friends. And with that being said, I have a lot to do with the car. So tomorrow, I'm definitely sure I'm gonna go to the detail shop again, probably get a clay bar, and I'm probably just gonna get something to wash off all the dirt and the metal specks on the car. But yeah, this video was totally not even close to what I was expecting it to be. But that's the beauty of working on your car. You say you're gonna work on it for this amount of time, and it's gonna take double. Well, I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hopefully everything turns out okay. Make sure we bring the paint back to life. I really don't want to waste my ceramic coating, so hopefully it's not too bad. If I have to, I'll do another ceramic coating when the car is done. But right now, I just couldn't stand the look of the car being so dirty. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please smash the like button if you guys haven't done so already. I'll see you guys on the next video. And always remember, you guys are called to be great in your own way. And always to remember, challenge your standards.